Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, all-time low for Tectonic token was in December 30th, 2022, and that is about 18 days ago. But Tectonic token have actually gained over 164.53%. You can see this year Tectonic token have started pumping. This is about from 31st down to today 17th. Tectonic token has been increasing, and now Tectonic token have gained over 164% increase in price. That's amazing to see Tectonic token gaining this pump within this period of time. Remember, a lot of people actually spend a lot of money this festive period, and yet people are pumping the money. Tectonic token has been increasing, and one important thing we're happy to say is that even BTC Bitcoin is now approaching $21,000, all the way from 16 down to $21,000. I believe this year is going to be one of the best year, and Tectonic token definitely is going to hit a massive increase in price before the end of the year, starting this year with an increase of 164% in the period of 18 days. Is amazing, and let's hope to see the best keep coming on for Tectonic token. I hope this year is going to be one of the best year for cryptocurrency in general. I hope this year we'll see many coins gaining a lot of people have actually lost. Last year was a bearish year, and I hope this year is going to be a bullish year for crypto industry. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. I'm so happy to see Tectonic token with a period of 18 days gaining over 164% price pump. Let's hope to see this year Tectonic token might be hitting 500 to 1000 or even 5000% increase in price.